You may be familiar with finding and using scholarly articles and books, but sometimes your research will call for information and resources outside the traditional publishing processes. These types of resources are collectively called gray literature. Visit our Gray Literature Research Guide and tutorial for more detailed information on finding and using various kinds of gray literature. One of the most commonly used kinds of gray literature are technical reports. These reports can be up to several hundred pages long and are produced by researchers in government, academia, and industry. They are very helpful because they are often quite detailed, containing lots of data and citations. For example, this is a technical report on atmospheric mining from a researcher at NASA Glenn Research Center. Looking for something a bit more Earth-based? This second technical report about fuel cell generators is in the Department of Defense's DTIC, or Defense Technical Information Center. So how do we find technical reports? You need to start by asking yourself a few questions. First, who might be interested in this information? Consider government agencies and industries that would benefit from research on your topic. The research is often conducted on a contract or grant and then made publicly available by the funding agency or through a large collection. Second, could the information I need be classified or proprietary? Yes to this question could mean that the information may be more difficult to find, but don't forget that Minds librarians are here to help. The best place to start looking for technical reports is our Find Technical Reports Research Guide. It contains links to several large collections on the homepage. It also has specific recommendations for collections and producing entities in a variety of disciplines, including computer science, physics, and medicine. Technical reports are a useful source across most engineering disciplines, and reports from large collections like the NASA Technical Report Server and DTIC will have applications beyond aerospace and defense research. The second search strategy for finding technical reports is to use domain limiting in Google. As you can see in this sample search, I am looking for technical reports on portable fuel cell generators. I know that the Department of Energy is heavily involved in research in this area, so I add cite::gov to the end of my search to limit to research from that type of entity. As you can see from the results, we have several reports related to Department of Energy research. Technical reports from industry tend to be the most difficult to find because they are typically not widely released and many are considered proprietary. Finding technical reports can be tricky, and they are only some of the many research tools out there. Be sure to look through our research guides or talk to a librarian to learn more tips for navigating the library's resources and beyond.